Written Manya Honkhe Kebo by Khlaiya Tipra Motha Single no contents Khlainai Tipra Motha Bodol Tangshal Shanja Jora Wanu Yungmawa Kaisa Kokthum Panda Khlaiya O Shaklai Mungrekha Tipra Motha ni President Bijay Kumar Rangkhol Tangshal Shanja Jora Wanu Yungmawa Khlaiya Kokthum Panda Wa Kok Shanani Thangai Tipra Motha ni President Bijay Kumar Rangkhol Shakha Tipra Sharong ni Constitutional Solution Manya Sak Borong ni Shan Mungo Usliya Tipra Motha Hunai Tipra Sharong ni Bagai Sit Tongmani Logi Logi Kupu Nachuk Thairuna ni Bagai Boredi Tongu Hine Shakha Te Obono Tuyai Wanshu Muna Harnai Tipra Motha ni Chairman Hunai Bo Shakha Tipra Motha ni President Bijay Kumar Rangkhol Ashal ni koksa pandawa borong ni shan mungtong mani buskang ni chong mariwa Tipra Motha bai baksha thansha onglaina hunai fia ba kubun bodol ni bakhakti mungsa firok mung manya kho hunai shakha thuruk bosong te eseni faising te himi kisa shukok toma ka haman kha hunai shakha Tipra Motha bodol ni President Bijay Kumar Rangkhol obono karai botei bu shakha obono tuye diliwa BJP o jamarok bai kok shalaikha te oboni logi logi Neder Chairman eba Assam ni MP Hemant Biswa Sharma bai bo kok shalaikha hunai
Prem Kumar and 3 others came. They met us and according to them, they were very cordial. Our side also we were present. We congratulated them also. Then finally, they had faced one pressman also. He came and he asked details and they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPFT, those who are still outside of them at the very point of time in Guwahati. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues, those are still available, and they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharashtra. Then they are trying, not will, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join Tipra Motha. That is what we have learned from them. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime, those who have become very familiar. They are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from towns, outskirts, the minority communities. Those who have started their talking with us, if they can be, they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim and from scheduled castes also, and Manipuris and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government. And regarding that issue, it is on process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is with us. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them. It continues now because in politics we have to enter to certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is growing on, that is on the process. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Devarma, which we held in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free. We don't conceal anything, because by concealing nothing we'll achieve. So we are very, very open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Product Ishwar Maliko, had also advised. He also been advised by other senior and junior mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that he should be also guided, we should be all guided together so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it, and we are On the other hand, we are responsible and we cannot be escaped from any mistake wheresoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal everything true, the truth. So now I will ask the Buddhist Dharma to bring about our meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam and two other BJP leaders, and that talk should be taken.
Bureau Report Chini Khorang.